Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Pro View Box. So today we are gonna unbox the new Oppo Reno5 Pro. So let's get started without wasting any time. So first thing first, when you open this box, you're gonna find a small pack. Inside this there might be some documents, basic documents like a SIM ejector tool. A SIM ejector tool is not a document. A warranty card, SIM ejector tool, and a silicone case. And then the beast, here it comes. It's in astral blue color. Now we're gonna take a look what's inside the box. So let's see what's inside. So inside the box we get a C-type earphones, a C-type data cable, and a super VOOC charger, which is of 65 watts for super fast charging. So that was the unboxing part. With super fast charging, the phone can be charged in 30 minutes only. Yeah, you heard me right. The overall design of the phone is very good. And talking about CPU, it has MediaTek Dimensity 1000 plus. CPU speed is 8 cores with a maximum frequency of 2.6 GHz. And it comes with an octa-core processor. So talking about the camera, 64:8:2:2 main, ultra, macro, mono. So it's a great flagship phone. So talking about its MediaTek Dimensity 1000 plus, it's a 5G chip that gives super performance and great graphics. The sound build quality of the phone is awesome. It has Dolby Atmos. The phone is equipped with a 3D borderless sense screen. So let's talk about the most favorite part, camera. So like any other phone, it has all features, but there's a special feature called monochrome video. So monochrome feature just helps to shoot your video with your favorite colors, like this. It's my personal favorite feature of this camera. So tell me your personal favorite feature about this phone in comments below. And please subscribe if you like this video. Thanks for watching.